So in this video, I wanted to talk about the Daily Habit Tracker. And this is a feature within the College Mastermind system that is optional to use. A lot of people download templates for daily habit tracking from the Notion marketplace. So there's a lot of stuff available. Most of them are free. We've included it in this package just because it's easy to create and a lot of people find a lot of usefulness in it. So when you open up from the main menu, you'll see the typical dashboard views, the pre-filtered views. And so we have this here that will show everything that's available today that you've set up for your daily habits. And the way it works is it has a little bit of automation component that will actually, based on the time that you set, will create a new task, a new item in your tracker to complete every single day. And you can customize this. This is basically just the template that comes with it, but I'll show you now how to actually manage that. So we'll go over here to this new button and you can see this daily habits template there. And then you can edit the template by clicking the three dots, saying edit. And here you can actually give it a name, like whatever it is you want to do. Maybe it's just something you want to do, like let's say like a 10-minute walk, something like that. You can add details of that if you want, and that's basically what it'll look like. And then when you go back, you want to set the time or to repeat. You can repeat every single day. It could be a weekly thing if you wanted to, and then this will be the time that it will actually get created every single day. So once that is done, you'll see that entry every single day, just like this. And if we go back, I can look at the last 30 days. You'll see a whole bunch of stuff, all the different things that have been running since I actually created this. And that's what that would look like. You can actually see it in table view, which is sometimes a little bit easier to deal with. And you can see all the past items that have been created. And so that's basically how the daily habit tracker works. You can go in and set, if you've missed the entries, you've completed them and you want to get credit for it, you can go in and track those like that. Now, if you also wanted to create additional items, so you have one template that's given by default, but you're free to create as many templates as you need to create the types of items you would want to track on a daily basis. And the easiest way to do that is actually just click this three dots and just duplicate it. So now you have a copy, and then you can write any additional details. Really not required, but it's just something that if it's helpful to you, you can include that, just a straight text. And then so now you have your two, the one that was defaulted, which you can go in and update. You can change the name and everything. And this is the way that we've created a new version. And now we can actually give it its own schedule. And so to do that, we actually just have to go up to this repeat option. We can set the frequency that we want to have it run on. And so now we're in this menu here, and this will show. We'll have it run every day. We'll just do the same as the other one. We'll set it at 5 a.m. and that 5 a.m. every single day, no matter what, these items will get added to your daily habit tracker. So that is just showing the way to get items, new items created to add to your daily habit tracker.